What should a program do when something goes wrong? For example, network request fails, or file cannot be found, or payment processing error. Programs must handle errors gracefully without crashing. Kotlin provides powerful tools for safe and clean error handling. Let's talk about exception handling, the best practices. Exception handling. Kotlin uses try-catch blocks to handle exceptions. For example, try this code and catch the exception if happened an error occurred and print the message. Here, try code that may fail and catch handle the error. Creating custom exceptions. Sometimes we need domain-specific errors. For example, class payment exception take a message and the return exception message. The usage fun process payment amount equal data type is int. If amount is smaller than or equal 0, throw an exception payment exception and pass invalid payment amount. Here is custom exception make errors clearer and more meaningful. Using finally. The finally block runs regardless it is success or failure. For example, here is a try catch block. Whether the code go through try or catch, it will handle the finally block. It is useful for closing files or releasing resources or cleaning up operations. Functional error handling with result. Kotlin also supports functional error handling. For example, fun divide, take A and B and return the result, return run catching A, divide B. The usage val result equal divide and passing the two values, then result.onSuccess print result and it, and on failure print error and message. This avoids try-catch clutter. The best practice. Good exception handling practices to use exceptions for unexpected errors. Also avoid catching generic exception everywhere. Create custom exceptions for domain logic. Prepare result for functional workflows. This keeps code clean and maintainable. The use cases. Exception handling is critical in network APIs, database operations, file processing systems, payment and fintech systems. Example, run catching, API call, then on success to handle data and on failure to show error. Good error handling helps developers to prevent application crashes, provide meaningful error messages, design reliable systems, write cleaner Kotlin code. Thanks for watching and see you next video.